Hi, today I'd like to talk to you about what I think is one of the most interesting parts of the water sector, and that's the sludge business, or bioresources as it's starting to be called. One of the reasons I'm interested about this is I think this is the next big market after the opening of non-household retail in April 2017. And one of the reasons I'm passionate about this is the sludge business generates huge benefits, not only for the environment, but for customers and shareholders as well. Sludge is the product used to generate renewable electricity, biogas, and fertilizer at the back end of the sewage process. And overall, it's a business that creates benefits for everyone. And I think we as a sector could do more to get even greater benefits going forward. One of the reasons this business is interesting is the way it's structured. So today, something like 6,000 odd sewage treatment works exist in the UK and 200 sludge treatment centres. And they're joined up by a network of 500 or so tankers driving that sludge around every day, collecting it, dropping it off for further treatment. And as the sector is at the moment, we focus really on just optimizing that within our natural boundaries. But going forward, we can do so much more to look at opportunities beyond that. The reason we can do this is actually we have the system today to do that. The tankers could move in different directions. We could send price signals and direction signals to create new opportunities. And the way this is going to happen is through a market. Markets are fantastic at finding new and innovative ways of doing things, and the sludge system is perfectly suited to a market. So how are we going to make this happen? Well, the starting point is our sector regulator, Ofwat, have set out a new way of thinking about sludge in their Water 2020 documents. They're going to change the way they regulate the sector. They're freeing up some of the opportunities that it creates. And this creates new opportunities for companies to play in the space. But beyond Ofwat, actually companies have a big role too. So companies need to do more in terms of understanding their businesses, looking for those opportunities and encouraging third parties, be it other water companies or other waste companies, to come and provide new opportunities, new capacity, new transportation methods for that sludge. Overall, this is one that we can start to make progress now. We don't need to wait to 2020. And this is an area where going forward, we're going to see a lot of interest, not only from customers, but from regulators, from new businesses, and from investors. So this is an exciting area of sludge, and I really encourage you to look at Ofwat's website to understand this further. Thank you.